Hello and welcome. My name is Jovika and I'm broadcasting from Jovika TV. Welcome to Jovika TV one more time. Okay. I think I'm live right now. Okay. Today I am looking into this issue of insecurity and the crusade of or gospel of development we've been preaching. Each time I make video talking about let the Igbos invest back home, I witnessed a lot of statements by some individuals telling me how insecure Igbo is. I shouldn't be talking about that. We should talk more of the insecurity. So I want to address this particular issue of insecurity. So if you are joining me from any location, do me a favor, begin to share the video. Do me a favor, begin to share the video. Okay, let me change my TikTok appearance. Welcome on board. How do I need to work on this? Okay. So welcome so that you guys can see me. So we are discussing the issue of insecurity and development in Igbo. So, and I would prefer that if you can interact with me, if you want to come to the studio, I will give you the opportunity. Then if you want to call in to make a contribution, I will as well give you the opportunity. If you also want to contribute by writing the comment, what do you think we do? Is it better for us to forget about the development, focus on insecurity? Or should we forget about insecurity, go ahead with development? Or do we carry both of them together? So I need your opinion. Please, I'm doing this video seeking for your sincere opinion. Any good opinion, I will go with it. But I also want to share my own view about Chitekwan and Igbo Suchoya Danjo. I don't see why when you see somebody not in alignment with what you believe, you can only come there to begin to insult or talk against the person. If you do it here, definitely I will teach you a very simple lesson of blocking industry. Okay, I want to take a break. And when I come back, I will unleash the cat out of the bag. My name remains Joe Vika, and I am broadcasting from Joe Vika TV. As I always say, Igbo ruler, hey dozie ala Igbo. So I want to use the song of Igbo ruler to welcome you. Ka ga ruo n'ụlọ ga dozie n'ala Igbo. Let's go. Okay, thank you. Comment have already started coming, and the first comment is against me. I'm going to display your picture so that people will see you. You say you are part of the reasons we are having insecurity. You people conspired against those that we are protecting our land. Who is going to stop the insecurity? Okay, like I said, I'm not gonna get mad with you, but I will say when you start talking rubbish. You never insulted me. You just put up an allegation against me. So I want you to prove your allegation. So Nga Okama TV. Can you throw more light how I conspired against those that were protecting your land? That's one. Number two, I also want you to show me the evidence of how I was going to, or how I was conspiring against those who were protecting your land. Finally, who are those who are really protecting your land? So react to these questions. Let's have a conversation. If you are sincere to yourself, if you tell me the truth, you might win me. I will stop conspiring if you prove me beyond reasonable doubt. But if you are just blabbing, as people would always do, then I'm happy I see Nga Okama TV. Nga Okama TV. I'm happy I'm making you popular. I know. But if you discover you couldn't prove your case, you are just blabbing, I will just simply say that anybody following you is a disgrace because that's what you have proven to yourself. But if you prove me beyond reasonable doubt, show me evidence. I think anybody following you is a great man. People will follow you the more. So I'm here. I'll be talking. Present your facts. Keep on writing on the comment section. Say them. Say reason number one of this. Reason number one of this. Then if I don't, if you are saying the truth, from today I will repent from conspiring with those against your protecting your land. Thank you and God bless you. Okay, I also have another comment. This brother said, he said development, creating employment for the youth can still help. Thank you. That is here la first song. God bless you. I told you guys it's interactive. I did your interaction. Let's reason together. If you come here, you want to insult, I don't like blocking people, but I promise you, I will block you. I will not only block you, I will return back to you. This one not telling me you are a priest, leave them. No, no, no. Bible say whatever you sow, you will reap. And it's from my mouth, I will give you back. Give, it shall be given unto you. I'll give you back whatever you put on me, then I'll block you. Let me check this one. Okay, there's another comment to her. It's okay, let's take this one now. Coming from Chukwebuka Precious. Chukwebuka Precious said, Igbo people should be creative within develop themselves within themselves. Since the government are not contributing anything for us, we are like tissue paper. They will all only remember us during election. Please, less people in abroad should help in creating employment more, especially many youth are at home and idle. An idle man is the devil workshop. Thank you. So this guy is of the opinion we should continue with the development. My brother, God bless you for that your opinion. I'm still waiting for Ngakama. Please tell me how I was conspiring against those protecting your land. Please, I need your reaction. If you don't want to react, then by the grace of God, I promise you I'm going to block you because you don't talk reasonably. Prove me beyond reasonable how I was against those that are blocking your land. Please, it's very important you make that report because you are the first comment here. That was the first thing you came up to say. And that account is on YouTube. Please, let me flag it one more time. That I am one of those who are contributing in this security. Please, and thank God your picture is there. Whether it's your picture or not your picture, but there's a picture that represented that account. Please, I need your reaction, my brother. God bless you. Because we want to, if actually I am part of the insecurity, let people identify me and mark me so that you deal with me the way you think is necessary. But if they are just accusing somebody innocently, he is part of the problem. We are also going to mark him, follow him, making sure that people like him don't exist in Igbo with his propaganda. What I mean is I didn't say we should buy him, but I mean with this propaganda will not exist. So that is the point I'm making. Okay, now talking about insecurity in Igbo. Recently, it's no longer news that very dark man. This is our brother. First of all, it started off from this our brother who is into fish. What is this? Very dark man, Okulora. These are the guy playing out some skit that we are watching this time around. Let me put them on the spot. Okay. First of all, it was why is this not don't want to go now? First of all, it was this guy's fish magnet who lost his life after paying ransom. Everybody who thinks well publicly, unanimously condemn that particular wickedness. I don't know who you are. We have not known the people, but it is part of the insecurity that have existed in Igbo. But if we want to tell ourselves the truth, we need to ask a question: how did the insecurity start? That's the first question we need to ask. And when it started, how was it propelled to this level? When we have never started having some group of people to protect the land, as this guy is saying, alleging here, how was insecurity then? You know, you guys don't like me because I think I won't say I'm a perfect man, because anyone who claims to say the truth maybe is trying to say I am perfect. But to the best of my knowledge, what I know that is the truth, I don't like painting words. I say it the way I feel. But any day I am convinced that I'm not saying the right thing, I will repent. That is me. And I will apologize. I don't feel any too big in apologizing to people. This insecurity started when it was alleged that the Fulanis are invading our land. Do we have Fulani in our land? Yeah, the answer is yes. Because it would be a shame or disgrace to me. I will not accept, because of maybe I've discovered that people that told themselves, please, what we should start dealing with insecurity first, then development follow. Thank you for your sincere submission. I appreciate that. I like people who said their mind without raising unnecessary insults. So we are going to, all these comments here, we're going to address them one after the other. People are listening to you from TikTok. At a time, if anybody is indicating interest to join me from TikTok, I'm going to be bringing him up. We want to discuss as a brother. Remember, some authorities have followed me. Even if they don't follow me, they watch my podcast, they watch my program, they will definitely come to react. Say, yes, this will make a point. As somebody who founded an organization called Igbo, some of my brokers are being carried by social media platforms in terms of the newspaper, print media. And sometimes we also have opportunities to talk on national television. So what I'm saying, anything you are bringing up here, our suggestion will be recorded. That is the mind of the people. But at the end of the day, we will take a decision to do the right thing. I remember when Mazen Nandekano was the one who told us that we need to protect our land, and he initiated ESN. People may not like me saying this, but I have to tell us the truth. Because before, the question now is, before we initiated ESN, how was Igbo insecure? It was a prophecy or projection or prediction that he gave that these people are coming. Remember, he told us that they are coming, and which they are operating in so many parts of Nigeria, Plateau, Benue. He also told us that they are coming to Igbo. And what do? We should protect our land. As we had a story in a certain day, and by so doing, the Yorubas have also started their own program of protecting their own side against the Fulani invaders. They started Amoteku. That Amoteku was fought against. They battled against them, but they stood their ground. And later on, their governors supported them. And they stood ground. It was registered officially. They have the right to carry arms, and they are doing their job very well. Now, that was in that basis, ESN also was established. I don't have, okay, let me know if I don't have. I will not be here to tell you the foundation of ESN. I'm not here to disclose that. because it's a privileged information I got from reliable source, those who started it. So I don't want to go to that story, but it was established by somebody who announced it. Being Mazen Nandekano, he announced about ESN. He announced it with the concern that the Fulanis are coming. But I want to agree with you, or you will agree with me if you want. If you don't want, that is your own cup of tea. The insecurity increased ever since ESN was established. Many people that couldn't lose their life lost their life. Why did it increase? Some people, in the name of ESN, were manipulating. They will commit crime and they will accuse it on ESN. I'm aware of it. I'm aware. But one of the problems of the ESN is the modus operandi of their recruitment process. I remember some few guys that were declared wanted, that were in prison. They escaped prison in various parts of the country, more especially in Owerri prison. Most of them, they were declared wanted. They quickly indicated interest in joining the ESN. And they were recruited. Tell me a criminal who is running from the police, you gave him an armed gun. What do you expect? So the intake of those people is one of the problems. Number two, you recruited somebody, trained him how to carry arms and protect your land. You place him on salary, as I heard. Some of them that I heard, they were being paid 50,000 naira. That's what I heard. I may be wrong or right. In that 50,000 naira, some of them, it is not enough for them. They stay in the bush, go through a lot. But it wasn't the matter. Sometimes they don't receive this money that is due them according to plan. If we are complaining, they are complaining of the total amount is not enough for them. Well, these are the revelations that are available to me. It may be wrong, it may be right. But if you know you are an inner caucus member, if I'm saying the truth, you simply identify with the truth, or you keep quiet than to constitute nuisance in the public. Some the people they will give the money to reach out to them, they will not give them. Some they will give them, that is not enough. And by so doing, these guys have an ammunition in their hand. I want to ask you, what do you expect them to do? Some of them were being used by the politician. Because anybody who pays them, because they become their worker. Because they have the tools, they have the material, they have their heart has been poisoned. They have developed, they feed them with Igbo. They don't see human being the way you see human being. Politicians capitalize on that and use them for election. Some of them. It's like so doing, insecurity is on the increase. But I want to ask you a very simple question. The same security outfit we initiated in Igbo, we are talking about the insurgents or coming of the Fulanis. The question remains, apart from some few videos I've watched where they went and shot the animals, the cows or the Fulanis, in few cases, I'll be wondering to watch to see how many Fulani have they arrested. But I've seen a couple of videos about the Amateku, how they arrested Fulanis. The only place I have problem with them, after arresting them, they will hand them over to police. They will steal one way or the other to come out and find themselves. The question, you are on security men in Igbo land, how many did you arrest? This is how this insecurity escalated. We have lost so many prominent figures in Igbo. Many Eze, was it Eze of this area in Mbitoli? He saw the Eze when he was rescued. We saw the story, cannibalism, it was there. You guys denied it. You guys said that it is the Nigeria police, no problem. But the report we have is that they saw them, those cannibalism in your camp. The Eze also confirmed what you people did to him. We have witnessed the death of Akunyele, Chike, the husband of Dora Akunyele. We have witnessed the death of so many prominent people who even died out of the threat of life. I'm trying to establish the background because Igbo say, onye na-amaghị ebe mmiri nọ mawakwana ya, ọ gaghị amakwana ebe ọ nọ wee kwụsị. Otu a ka esi wee megide ihe a, Insecurity abụrụzi ihe na-arị elu, ụjọ ejide onye ọbụla. Ndị enyere egbe a na-enye ha ihe oriri, a na-enye ha ego. Ndị enyere ego nye afọdụ anaghị enyeru. People started using it to make money. This is what is the major cause of the insecurity. Ụfọdụ ha ga-agbuo mmadụ ebo ya ndị Fulani. People will not share this video. I don't care. I'm not making it for you to share, but I'm dropping as an information. If I'm saying the truth, let the truth protect me. If I'm not saying the truth, highest in the I got some more with them on a boom. Or when I come to a chat, God carry rule. Okay, carry him. So that is the critics were mobile and Igbo. Come back, I am with a peace of mind. We have lost so many souls. Igbo, Edinaya, on Wagagwa and all the Fulani Menea, on the Bubagu Menea. I didn't say that Bubaga and Mekwenka, mark my word. I'm going 1 or 2, 3, Bubagu Mene. I'm going the witnesses. I wouldn't say Nanda San de Kobo, they are not, after the go again, I don't know, keep now fight. I wouldn't say that they didn't come to fight us. Or you buy, but my dear, no one are fighting for freedom. The worse than because people never to trust soon. Because money, and if you let nigga out, I survive. I'm coming down to do this broadcast so that I can help him his words. No we can get defended any day, anytime. Otaki security shiri Ma Jiana Kuku, Ele Patriobola Runa Candibo, ya turn to another thing. Ameriteku, they establish. Ameriteku, we are not recording the loss of prominent people's lives. We don't record them there. I see the Fulani. But Ele and the guy is more evident Kuno. We started losing life. And when a video minute, man, I joined that video. Or we lose in a area okay. Or we in a room mother. Let's tell ourselves the gospel truth. This insecurity has continued through recently when someone like Okrora was kidnapped. Thank God he came back alive. Fish magnet kidnapped, and after paying he was murdered. Then that was what brought about the fish magnet story. Is what brought about this guy, very dark man, to find himself in
killed fish magnets. But in actual sense, it is the government that killed fish magnets. Yeah.
So that was when he went to Anambra and alleged that it is the government that died fish magnet, based on the basis that the government neglected what they should do. And to a great extent, I 100% agree with him, because the life and properties of human beings are kept into the hand of the government. So if they fail in their duty, they should take their responsibility. Inasmuch as the police has issued a statement against very dark man that he should not incite the people. But
in actual sense,
I want to tell the police, you guys, this is not the right thing to do. People are hurt. People are wounded. People have lost their life. You are busy telling him incitement. That buying of that person alone is enough incitement. Your silence as the government to failure of your duty is an incitement, not what that man is saying. Please go and do your job. Fish out the people that perpetrated the evil. If it happened in America here or in a developed country, under 24 or 72 hours, they will fish out the people that perpetrated it. I remember a couple of times they have shot in so many quarters. All within the next 24 hours. You saw Donald Trump, the sniper that stood somewhere to peer at Donald Trump. That guy was arrested under how many hours? He ran away. He has planned how to escape. These people fish out all the data. When this guy made a post, 2000 and something, they traced him from any level. They saw all his friends trace him and publish him because Nigeria failed. That is what Very Dark Man is saying. Because of your failure, you don't have a database. You don't have how to record people. I was shocked when one of my friends were telling me in Gabon that his wife gave birth and they lost the baby. They couldn't bury the baby until they had to receive permission to bury from the government. Why is this so? They value life. Not like Nigeria. Anybody can buy any day, anybody can be buried any day. They say they have to record when they was born. If I left this world, they have to record it. Gabon have the record of all their citizens, both strangers. But Nigeria, go and check how many people coming in from Niger. It's because of the failure of Nigeria that we have the proliferation of arms. We have custom. We have immigration officers, military, Air Force. How do we are able to smuggle this ammunition to the government? How? So government, what the Benjamin said, we put it on you, put the blame on you. Because it is your failure that it promoted this particular proliferation of arms. When we talk about the Fulani, what they did to in Benue, how were they able to receive arms? Because the government is compromising with them. They are afraid to protect the people. How were this particular ESN or you guys are accusing or whatever ESN to get ammunition? Because the government failed. They were bringing arms to wherever they are bringing it from, and we are losing it. So I support Very Dark Man in accusing the government that really is buying us insecurity. But that does not change the fact that we have internal problem. Because this particular government we're talking about is the same government we have in Ekiti State, in the Yoruba land, that they're not losing their life to the hands of these wicked people. This same Emotoku can never stretch for their hand to buy their own Yoruba brother. They will not try it. It's only in the Igbo land. You stretch forth your hand and buy your own brother. When they ask you, you call him saboteur. How many times you guys have arranged that you want to buy me? But the God I serve is a living God. So that is about insecurity. I will take a short break. I will take a break. When I come back, I will not discuss about development. Please, if you have not started following us in my social media platform, you have an opportunity, begging you to do it right now. Thank you. See you after the...
Ma vida iya ba ni Zenko Balofo na Lagos. Ba ni Zenko Balofo na Lagos. 60,000 square meter plots of land. Ani for obali ofo nso sa ka obali si ani anyị na-afụ now. Onwebeghị anything obido oluba na anya bani. Ina anyị ga-afụ ka agbalicha ebe niile. Nekwe ndị otu ya ma white money ma ọtụtụ ndị ọzọ sokwa ya nọdụ ebe ahụ. Onye ọbụla nọchazi na-enene dị anyị ọgbala. Onwe ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ nwe opinion. Na-ekwugasị ihe dị ya n'obi gbasara disi anyị Zenko Balofo na Lagos. Wee na-asị why o ji wee continue na-agba anyị na-develop instead of ibulu this investment bịa na East bịa lụọ ihe ọbụla ọ chọọ ịlụ. Ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ wee na-agwakwa ndị na-ekwu nke a sị na Zenko akpatagwa ego bụ na ọkpatagwa ego na ọ ga-eme investment ebe ọbụla ọ chọọ na Nigeria na onweghị onye si wee kpata ego na-ego. Ọtụtụ wee wekwara ihe mee kọmpani nwanne Peter Obi wee na-ama atụ etu esi wee kutu kọmpani ya ma etu gọvanọ Lagos si enwe anya ofe ebe properties ndị Igbo dịgasị. Ebe ọbụla ndị Igbo lụ something ejecha ofu ihe a ga-eme ka e wee kutuo the properties mebisia ihe niile dị ebe ahụ.
Okay, thank you. I'm happy with that voice note you heard from the background of that video on Zenko and his Ala Ogoro na Lagos. Now, somebody say, somebody of the opinion, he can build his house wherever. I'm happy the same person refer to Peter Obi's brothers attack. And the one thing about that particular attack, the government is denied having knowledge of Otosh when demolish a company when they be. The company have existed for years. They say they don't have hand in it. But they produce a court order requesting or demanding for that house to be demolished. But nobody who gave the order, they didn't write. But the government denied. Now, in a government where it is not prejudice against the Igbo, what are they supposed to do? Investigation need to be made. The court need to be called to tell you who gave you the order. But the government denied not having a hand, but there is a paper order to demolish without anybody who sent the order. And you not tell yourself that the government knows about it. My friend, your name which head, who told me that government doesn't have one? Why are people talking this? It's the individual that did it. Bro, the government should feature the individual who did that particular wickedness. The government should have done that. But because it's an Igbo man, they won't do that. That's one. Number two, Tinda Bakara's video, I will still refer to it any day, anytime, who said the Igbos are getting too much in Lagos, that they need to do something to reduce them. This is what he said when they were invited in a meeting. Now, I'm standing this particular issue, compare it to the problem in Igbo land, and compare it to where you're going to invest. So is it okay for you to see how we can invest? Because there are people who still have the investment in Igbo land. They've not all lost their life. That the big Kubana chief priest put up his business, he was attacked. Have they attacked innocent? What about Chikasin? What about Eriko? What about Tony Mas? What about, how many will I mention? They are there in Newi, in Southeast. They are doing very well. Those who manufacture different things. Kutis. What about Kutis? This people didn't pay me for advert, but I need to mention them because these are our people we love that they established in Igbo. As I talk to you now, many people have contacted me since I started the move of Igbo ruler, say they are moving to Abia State for investment because there's a enabling environment. What stops them to move down to Abia State? Because this insecurity is not too prevalent in Abia State and even at Ebony State. Mark my word, this insecurity is not really ravaging Abia State and Ebony State. It's only Imo, Anambra, and Enugu. Abia is just like a heaven. They are not there. Meanwhile, it's still Abia. We have a lot of. We have a Okigwe Ranch or Camp, Fulani, Obudu, whatever. So many places there. But the insecurity is not there. Like here. And the same people who you people are because of him fighting the insecurity came from there. Not the kind of came from Abia. But the insecurity is not coming from there. Someone ever came from Ebony. The insecurity is not coming from there. Who is fooling who? Can you ever be more Catholic than the Pope? These are the questions we need to ask ourselves. So people are investing in Abia State. Zenko decided to go to Lagos. We wish him well. The same thing, there is a decree by Lagos government stating that there is different from C of O. That even if you have your C of O, but they have every right to revoke that land to you, even a day after you paid for it, without refunding you. But when you go to the Nigerian Constitution, Land Act decree, it is not so. When you buy a land with a C of O, you have the ability to own that land for 199 days, 99 years, sorry. For 99 years, the land should belong to you. After 99 years, the owners of the land, being the government, can decide whatever. But the government said no. If they sell land to you, they can revoke it in the next 24 hours. Take your money without refunding to you. You can lose the land. That they own the land. Thank you for the life, bro. Thank you so much. So this is what is happening. So with this kind of decision, Zenko, don't you think he's wasting his energy and money? You answer by yourself. Or what I'm saying, is he wrong? Please, I need your response from the comment section. Like as I said, I need you to deliberate. Let's consider Ali will have insecurity. It was caused by a human being. It will also be a human being to stop it. I believe strongly insecurity will be gala. Amen Toku are not buying their own brother. They are not kidnapping their own brother. They are waiting for the enemy. But your own, the own of gentle. How gentle have been planning. I gave military clothes. When we send them, everybody declare, now they lose guard. I have for you, you have on the course, Fulani, you put them get a cover, I go get them, Anna Fulani, but I just not gentle, and do to, and then I support here. I just not Juno. The Lord told us, Shimana and the Fulani, una name would they have. Oh, no, I got going, a Fulani got down, I got down. How be panu? Ebo no man hana bia. What stops you from tracking them, buying them, arresting them, killing them, or getting them? What stops you? You will announce to all they will come. They will still come. And you come and announce what they have come. Ihe on emekunu. Ihe on emekunu. Look at how you in a disgrace over. Imran Fulani guy give man house. Never na beko chana ego. E send them ego mbo. E bunyu chuno ato ego send their give pack ego. The rest of the Fulani are the bang buon them la give us the guy in a hera. Unu wa announcer express. Gentle, Chineke my hold you amen. That's your voice note they leak out. And you stupidly came out and seen how your voice note, not him in the last year. Whether last year or this year or next year, maybe next year, he had a book. Chineke did that in make exposed. No one go out the insecurity I'm with an Igbo. People don't like hearing it. But me, I go talk. Let me go for that voice note and play it. I go talk up. Anyway, now the yada. Highest I can say, any day from Jovi can boya. My dad don't know Naka Chineke. Open them down because of Ezoko, I will be fulfilled, dying in truth. And when many of you, somebody chat and say, why will you be exposing your brother? Bodike, but you hear Dika Gebugi, Bogin is no. Next time, anybody that will come and tell me rubbish, now this boy with a voice note, that war family. I now complain. Guess what happened? Don't expose the nakedness of your brother or your father. Are you kidding me? A brother no anymore. This is all my brother. May that place in Bogi and your brother. That brother Bogi. You are the evil. Now cause insecurity. I know preaching development. Umo now about also. Let him sit on America. About 2 hours. A popular person. I'm not going to mention his name. On a call, the other phone. And I'm on the other line. Or the Bioro. He had it. And today I'm off. Then I'm going on I'm day off. My night walk is it. And my day and night. Yeah. That's why you don't see me make posts. So people praise me that the time they went, I do my posting, I do my prayers, I also go to my walk. 2 walks sometimes. I won't make my double walk and I move for 2 walks. Go from 11 o'clock, about 7:30. Marathon, 3 hours. That 3 hours, 4 hours, come with you. Prepare my food. Now I don't know, but the dick is slave. I'm not told about Zike. As now when that they claim Fulani, now to my life. Get thunder. They are on you. Memona cannot comfortably come home to come and settle down because it's again as on one way. Ekugomia, probably quafru. Now I'm one way. Igaha dendo, I'm one way. When that incident, around this org. Ekubigomoku. Ndeni n'aka ha nọ n'ihe ahụ site na Chineke kere eluigwe na n'ụwa ụnụ agaghị ahụ 2026 anya ndị ọbụla mere ya. I don't give a damn. That voice note to ghost line ndị mere ya but ụnụ sikwa na ya Chineke because of that evidence overall evidence ekwubi m okwu plus okwu anyị na-ekwubi ụnụ agaghị ahụ 2026 anya Watch one from now to the end of the year. This thing. I will show you people to. If I may show you, or I may not show you. Ndị na-aka ha dị. Unu nwanne nụkwa abroad na esendịrị ha ego. Ha were gị na-agbagbuchi ụmụnne anyị. Unu akwụsịghị ya. Ihe mekwere ha ga-ekusakwa unu one way or the other. Ndị a na-atụrụ ha ego ha claim Fulani gị na sendịara ha ego. Chineke ga-eme amara. Ọnwụ ahụ unu na sponsor ga-eru unu na family unu aka. Fulani ahụ a na-aji agwa unu okwu. Fulani ahụ ga-enwetakwa ụmụnne unu. That's the same Fulani ahụ. It will go reach you because what goes around can also as well come around. So I'm done. If you think you want to make your contribution, you want to join the studio from TikTok, you are free to join me. What I'm saying, as I said, is what I think is the truth to the best of my knowledge. Enough of Hena told Jogi, and when I post, I say, because don't talk about them, they will come after you. They will also come after themselves. Oh, the story of we had recently, among the group of among them that kept a close marking on them. Gently, whatever. Babu mother none they check fire. All the story I know. Totromu Makroba no Bundene check Babu in the name of no how betrayed AJ Mane. The same gentleman in exactly that voice note. The story has it now. All I know that Ninduro na Chime attack Abraham. This guy believe Babu Ndo Janondo tell you the secret, but yeah, was but for me, I can't see her by the honor. No tia habunde burun. Ya wabuwe, ota ka gari go somebody bukwe ya. Ima na ogworo final. Mana ka ngwa ge, igwo chokwa na ogwu niile, enwe ha na-akpọ ofo na ogu. Owu na aka gị dị ọcha, you will live long. Ogwu gị ga na-arụ gị ọrụ. Let me put it that way. But you know one day, because of you na-akwa for ọbara, ị na-efili na eze, nye na-asị gị zewe, eri ya nụ mmadụ dịka anyị na-anụ, bro, I promise you, ọgwụ gị ga-efelu gị one day. Onye otu gị nwere ike ga-agbagbu gị. So ọ ya wụ aka si hịpụ ụnụ ọnụ. So otu aka ọhara nọ n'ụmụ Igbo. What is your opinion about developing ala Igbo? If you want to join me, if you want to call, indicate. Ọ bụrụ na ọ na-efili gị concern otu ala Igbo ala n'iyi, I feel it. Enwe ndị gasị ha sị mechie ọnụ ekwule akwụkwọ na-abịa. I wish first now I'm in America. I'm coming to Nigeria. My investment is coming up. And I will go Mala. I won't tell you the location. The project is going on small. One, I'm building my podcast. Now, Libo, my podcast is ongoing. Now, Libo, only tell me the location. What get out of what I know podcast and large back. So it's only chilling in that place, no wahala. Oh, football camera. Very dark man name him no name. Or Burle catch like a boy. But due to the whole Bisoku Kojibia, Chineke and protect here. What time the Nezoku, Chineke never get protected more. I want you to get him. I want you to get memo. So somebody requested to join me on my platform. Welcome on board, my brother. God bless you. When I chat, when I pop, if you want to call, let me know so that I can give you the platform. My brother, go ahead. Your contribution.
Okay. Yeah. Good evening, sir. You know, your sacrifice na effort
Thank you.
Yeah, ndị mmadụ ha ga-afụba anyị na ihe a na-enyecha more attention now propaganda ma ụmụ ihe asị ma all those kind of things. Asị na ihe na-ekwu naanị just wepụta one kind compromise story na ya full views eju everywhere.
That is it.
But ihe ekwu ya otu o si ndị mmadụ neglect ya but ha ma na ihe na-ekwu na ọ isiokwu but n'uche nke moral from the one ESA now mistake I made.
Big one. Big one.
Because when the 2 years, I see na the kind of create private security to try to the boss in then when he had a governor for Guinea na Port Harcourt wherever
Tompolo.
Tombolo yana antena with the governor of Lagos Asabuja or Guinea Africa.
Okay.
General Asabuja. So any name which are private security. So private security is different from state security or regional security. Ima ale anya compare ESN with Amoteco.
Okay.
There are so many differences between the two. In case under government, under control of government, how we rules and regulation, and the each state creates coin is a oil fafa. So yes, Amoteco nona or your state is different from Kenona Ekiti state. How do you know so fafa? But to all indigenous in on Ekiti, won't Ekiti. Indigenous in on Oyo, won't call Oyo. Hey, we got rules and regulations, we got laws. Government in here, government in here, how would they be hanging her? And number lordy. Oh, yeah, getting a I'm moving my area. Okay, but to Kali, before you, I'm going to Kaiwari and Nam the Canada as well, Macabiafra. Before you now, be a create security. You know, on a government at all. Create security. It's not security in Kega, Unchepo, Bodo, Southeast Nile. Or body now, upper private too. As no private, that's okay. Anything hammering. I'll send her.
Okay. Yeah.
But they just create a happy open. So, they are good, everything. No, you're going to be just ESN.
Sure.
So, the thing was what a mistake. So, you like your government, because since na Monday, no more to go to how Nandikano, the supreme leader, my command, you know, because CC Hapo demand, but I reach agreement of amnesty to Ndanile, so that peace are returned not to Alibu. So that is the only option, the best option I worry. Because I see about Halebwe, I about the Ebwe before you know, I turn over into northeast now. You know,
but I turn to go already, my brother.
So the best option was see because government. I don't know, engage the government in the woman the often manner. I have to work out, but I go to email to ISM, amnesty, have that from there peacefully. I hand over the whole work in the Haji. So that is the suggestion on Kemu and Dalo for your effort for organism and
because I like more comedy. You can come up and not to just comment on the background. He is saying his mind, and I see sincerity what he's saying.
Yeah, happy. Open onye create Boko Haram na Nanduta. Oya come man na happy a dialogue with him. What ndini na na Sahara Desert ma ndini na ala egusisi. He may go let Nigeria spend na nchekwa nke nọ n'ugwu because of Boko Haram and ISIS. Also, now with the option of create that Boko Haram now negotiate with Oya. What put the whole people never have put monitor because I go Boko Haram for 15 years now.
So
the best option in negotiate in my own in Africa. Middle Southeast Asia or middle Asia and the Afghanistan some of those countries. So the thing we reach agreement with them. Most of their governors or presidents who it's in opposition, you may overturn the government, guy who is a governor or president.
Yeah.
They reach agreement with you. If you Trump, Trump, so
okay, now question.
We reach agreement.
Now, let me ask you a question based on Hebrew now. It's not a reason I reach agreement. Chetakwa that the group of ESN are divided into 3 factions, but 2 major factions, both autopilot, Biafran Liberation, whatever they call themselves. Now they decide DOS. Now, and how has Haibu, Anna had told the saboteur, Anna had to go Ibuka. Nkebu against Ebolonye Sabotonica Sabotua. Now, he reach out, and they can undone and they can't now. What happens to ndị nọ under Simon Ekpa? In Akwakada release Wekoye Gako. So George Kennedy, because he stopped on it resolve on then under Nandi. Ndeke Simon Kano Kaneguna Arkwala.
Okay, now Makajuki.
Yeah.
Even na TikTok, I am engaged, ma ndị ha nọ with Simon Ekpa, ma ndị nke nọ na Nnamdi Kanu. Ha alasị na ndị DOS na-eri ego, na ha gọọmenti nke na ha na-ekwe anata ego, but nke ha nwa n'onwe ha na-anata ego. So ajụọ ha, unu ekwetara na Nnamdi Kanu the overall control of Biafra, nwere onwe Biafra a na-achọ? Ha si yes, na ha kwetara. Unu akwetara na Nnamdi Kanu pụta taa na reach agreement of onye ọbụla si n'ime ọhịa pụta, pụta egbe isi, any weapon eji weta ya ka ịkpa maka ọdịmma be anyị. Unu ekwetara na unu ya pụta from there? Ha si yes, because on Nnamdi Kanu, even Simon Ekpa ha na-ekwu ya na under Nnamdi Kanu. Yotago. So ọ bụrụ na Nnamdi pụta, ya enye iwu si onye ọbụla pụta ka ebido ya n'isi ka just ka reform everything. Ọ bụ na ọ bụrụ ihe a na-achụ nwa achụ maka nke Biafra, si hapụsị everything. Ọ pụtakwuo ya ihe such order. Ndị nke ya apụtasịsị ha. Onye na-apụta ha ọzọ. Ndị Igbo niile amatazie na onye ahụ onye ochi full time. The whole communities n'ala Igbo niile na-aba ezi ime ọhịa ahụ jee chụọ the person. Because otu ọ dị taa, amatago na-enwego different wings, but wing is a grow to the huge extent of na ha ya carries order of Nnamdi Kanu. Onwere otu Nnamdi Kanu ya sisi onye ọbụla nọzi n'ime ọhịa from today onye oshi ka ndị Igbo niile binie je fight ya. Communities ya ebini.
Okay.
Communities onye ọbụla ya ebini, onye nwe double barrel ya eburu, onye nwe mma ya eburu. Ime ọhịa ahụ nke anyị. So the solution Nnamdi Kanu pụta, o mechaa all those things. Anybody fọziri ebe ahụ, onye ahụzi enemy of ala Igbo full time.
Okay.
Because mụ a na-ahapụ ya, God forbid, Nnamdi Kanu ya hapụ ụwa na without isetụlụ ihe, a ga-enwekwa another group.
Okay. That's just
onye ọbụla onye Jos pụta na-abido na-ekwu na redio na before you know create nke ya. So enweze nke Nnamdi, enweze nke Simon.
My brother, if not that when we do be winner, I can create to go my own longer, mama. How they go to me? I'm not lying to you, but if only I better see, I better them. I don't want to reveal things, but yeah, I do not just so over night create here. Babu Shen the zoo, they can propose. I can get the Biafra. Number how they will answer. Oh. All the other depends so and in then how are you sure Andy Gebunan in the zoo? How are you sure the others not recruit that come and wipe our label out? No, some people don't reason when they do their things. Okay, final question before you hold on. Do you think that Simon was really fighting for Nnamdi Kanu, in your own opinion?
Ihe nke nwere onwe a nwedị mgbe m support based on position anyị na n'obodo anyị na-akpọ Nigeria.
Okay.
Position etiri in the southeast.
Okay.
But ihe m furu n'ihe nke Simon na mbụ n'uche nke na mbụ ọ na-eme ya ka ọ na-akwado nke Nnamdi Kanu ka eme ya ka Nnamdi Kanu pụta ma nke ọzọ, but o nwere mgbe o rusiri n'uche nke ya efilie na ọ bụ na Nnamdi Kanu ha subdue ya taa Ujenga nke mkpụrụ ọka or anything ka ya take his over.
I'll take over and another prime minister.
So there is every tendency when we bido na-eme broadcast ya na to even undermine ihe Nnamdi Kanu.
Exactly.
So onwe mgbe ọ yeru na ọ bụ na eri issue agreement with ụmụ ihe ndị onwe mgbe ọ yeru na Nnamdi Kanu nyegodo order ha sị mba na order aha na ozi gọọmenti na-erego Nnamdi Kanu.
Exactly. Even how would you when Nnamdi Kanu bịara abịa kwuo sị ndị a na-aga egbu ndị mmadụ na aha bịara, they should stop it. Then has onye instruction to Simon he will never obey the instruction. Na nwa otu onye nọ na on the dungeon DSS ga-eji instruction. Now how can you obey that instruction? I wouldn't even follow. This scenario came up. Yes, a lot of unu ga-eji another instruction from onye nọ na dungeon ndị DSS. Now enwere question jụrụ onye ahụ. See, Nnamdi Kanu nyere Simon Ekpa instruction to continue. Yes. Oh yeah, now. Yeah, oh mama. So calm down, sir. Calm down. It's okay. Can I born on your destruction now? So can I born on your instruction to continue the broadcast? Yeah, but yeah, but get happy. You might what the mother make argument with sense. Prove your case. I just don't two questions now. No get here again. No, na dungeon. Oh, when a dungeon now, gonna say take over from me. You started. You started selling now. Yeah, you know that. I'll tell you when the money I here. You know the day later. Oh, the letter through the lawyer. Yeah, you get there. Okay. Yes, now for you to listen to the kind say over there. Now I've been a Finland. Yeah, now no one. You know, man, I got over there. You get claim. Now this we should start deceiving us.
Based on Oku Biafra, I is okay beribe.
Extremely iberibe. Some people. Go ahead.
I need a praise there. Ima ha na-ejizi Biafra create content. Ndị na-eme content creator. So usually when views, my followers,
God bless you. That egom gabara na Facebook. That's all I want.
Every day, Biafra. So ndị Igbo bụrụzi ndị a na-eme a na-akpọzi anyị asị. Onye ọbụla kwụsị na ọ na-enye anyị nwere onwe. Very useless point of view ndị we anyị.
Simon nyere date ole ugboro abụọ. Mgbe a na-eme ka Peter Obi asị gị na Biafra ga-abịa na 16th of February ga-adịra about nke ahụ aga onye here. Ọsịsị gị na another one na 2nd December. A kidnap according to the arrest. Asọ ọ maka na Biafra chiri declare ka eji nwede ya. Ụfọdụ sọ ka ọgba question until this ọ ga-apụta. Ma bụ onye na-ekwu na ọ bụrụ na ọ questioning na ọ ga-apụta dị gị kwuru. But for these people to keep him more than expected because Ndawo Nigeria break law. How many months corner there because they saw grievous evidence against it. May Hasnam there one name obla be a woman name. Thank you for your contribution. Let me have other people. On your the ready, go ahead, I will not stop you, but except you that but we I'll bring you down automatically. Ugo, your take, your position, your take. Go ahead.
Yes, good morning, sir.
There were one name.
Just when I look at just so just boss now they cannot put I say we so you na bu egbe no ni mo ha puta no zi no ya wa puta mazere no nyo yigo ndi gbe we je ni ma je jide so ajụjụ m wee bụrụ so ọ bụ na ka ewegwedere na nwanne anyị nwoke bụ Nnamdi Kanu na ọ naghị apụta mgbe dị anya mana ọ bụghị ekpere m dị ihe a so ọ bụ na ọ pụta so ndị agha bụ egbe ha ka nọrọ n'ime ọhịa wee na-akparụ niile ha na-akpa.
God bless you.
Ọmza ajụjụ gị. Okay. Osisa mo na for create insecurity na the easy. But you stop. I the easy.
All the getting your call. Igba matches is very easy. But stop the matches. Yeah, go ahead.
So until anyị onwe anyị as ndị Igbo, ọ bụ na ọ pụtaghọ. Until anyị onwe anyị as ndị Igbo agwa onwe anyị eziokwu na ihe nke nwere onwe a anyị achọghịzi. Ọ bụzi ka anyị si na ọ hapụrụ ụwa taa now. The only solution ndị Igbo yenwewu if ihe nwere onwe a anybody abịana bịarịsị anyị that mentality of nwere onwe ya chọọzi. That is the only solution na anyị enwe insecurity n'ime ọhịa. Because tomorrow onye ọzọ ya asị gị na ya karịrị Nnamdi Kanu na ya karịrị Ojukwu sef na nke ya ozi the most powerful and brutal. A na-enwe more insecurity. So the solution wụ ndị Igbo ka ndị Igbo ghara ịfụ this ọ bụ na anyị na-achọ ka like can make debate of political arrangement of otu the whole region and ọrụ onwe ha ekwu nke ahụ ya dị different but nke ndị Igbo every 1 year 2 years onye pụtọsị na ọ na-enye anyị nwere onwe anyị achọghọzi. That is the only solution.
Okay.
Ọ bụ na reach agreement the thing ka ndị Igbo fụ onwe ha asị
okay
onwe ha self preservation.
But you better address the question now. Address the question.
Yeah. As you say, us na open Nnamdi Kanu apụtaghọ.
Insecurity.
Yes. So man Zayana. The solution una ndị Igbo ya sị ka dị na-asụ ihe ukwu nwere onwe anya chọhozi.
Ndị Igbo dị na-asụ go there. What happened to ndị kwesị ndị anọ n'ime ọhịa?
Ndị Igbo dị na-asụ ọhịa, anyị niile dị na-asụ ọhịa full time now. Anyị amatazie na ndị ahụ nọ n'ime ọhịa ndị oshi. Na ha da fight for ọganihu ndị Igbo or interest of anything Biafra.
Okay, thank you for your thoughts.
So I wanna ndị Igbo dị na-asụ nwere onwe. Ndị Igbo dị na-asụ nwere onwe, ndị Igbo hapụ ndị anọ n'ime ọhịa ha na-esusu ya ha na-esusu.
Yes, ọ bụ na ndị Igbo dị na-asụ. These two options will reach agreement with onye create the thing n'onwe ha. Number one. Number two, na ọ bụ na ịdị na-asụ ya, anybody kwu okwu Biafra. Ọ bụrụ na ọ na-ezu ochi, onwe dị ihe gbasara ọ na-blọkụ Enugu na Abakaliki Expressway. Uche AK-47 na-ezu ochi. Immediately o tiri okwu Biafra ahụ, asị na ọ nwere onwe ka ọ na-achọ. So ejisi Igbo anyị. Onye na-ezu ochi.
Ya mwa na-ekwu na ndị Igbo achọghị secure their land. Ya ọkwụcha ya mwa chọrọ ikwu. Ndị Igbo ọjọọ gba nkịtị ya na.
Okay, how to secure their land? Question to you, how to secure the big any again, biko?
Ndị Igbo che secure their land na have together and secure that land.
Okay.
They secure that land by fire by force. Anyị Igbo bụ wanile.
Okay. You will keep join I'm with a group about a discussion. All none discussion and action to secure Igbo. Everybody get focused. God bless you. Because okay, watch. Who the other guy from my brother? Chereno, cool down. I also only so because now, I like people who have understood now this monster, strong one and freedom fighter, are big problem. Yes, it's from promote to her when can the journey. But when my brother, I repent and confess here. So we have group of people where we are joining our hands together, discussing, and our plan is progressing. So my number, mommy, tell me your number. I will let know about insecurity so that you join the group. I discuss on only all with a suggestion here because this thing cannot continue. I beg, Madam Maliteria, Madam Gaposia. Thank you. Moto Comedy, over to you. I told you that confess. They will never have my relation, but I don't want to go there. Come happy to come back. My relation can't name here. I fight for the board. Go ahead, brother. Comedy.
Yeah. Good morning, everybody. To me, more that na the problem I have na. First of all, the problem I have na Igbo dey too emotional. We fall into any person put a or like I have Igbo so be ozugbo. And with this thing when the Kano, this broadcaster, I started following him. Austria. Let's where this guy. Now let's talk about this Simon Epa. He was against the Nandi. And all of a sudden, he discovered that what Nandi was doing was just a business. Then he decided to join him and start selling.
Because gonna tap this also isn't join and he hasn't sent any gift for a while. That your system haven't received because when tap one and they send the gift because all the TikTok and I life over and then with those things. Come on anyway, because I'm not begging for.
Our brothers with security in Igbo land. Initially, this instruction that all police stations in Igbo land should be destroyed.
Exactly.
So majority in all Igbo land, police station they are active now. As we are talking to so I'm talking to you. They use that opportunity NSAS. We will all the whole prisons in East and Igbo land. And all the whole and the kidnappers and in the
I won't have demolished the prison nowhere. No what?
Then so majority of those boys in the police in those police station. Now we are not pushing mafia. Then then how do you think those boys will be surviving? Then they started hustling in one way or the other.
That is the truth. So
for us now to bring security back to our land, but that's we will have to organize one. Kudo state government, kudo federal government, kaha mepela in those police station in because you cannot tell me we cannot do it alone. We need police in our communities.
Okay.
So that one would be number one. This thing I
approach
first to bring in security in our land. Forget all these guys then you believe them.
Okay, thank you. Well, that's a very good one. And when we are talking about what do we do to bring back peace, I cannot comfortably. My friend, or mention na behind number, popular. Only a very top guy, but that's not the low like they use keke. Or moto na outside Igbo. This guy is a billionaire. But that's I got Namule Kubera chief priest. Namahuna business ya up all na Imo State. So 3 times actually he the guy. Yeah, watch back to Lagos. Because people don't know message guy come the guy came home catch up here. And man the guy no soon go to protect the land. The land that is so porous. Ono agagwa na fina na abiawala. Ono agagwa na ha abiala. Una get mo kini ga pesa yan gudere ha. Ebe no man ha na abia. Arrest them na kai hokwano aga ihe anyị. Mmadụ na anwụ. The Bible na go say open na nnutu photo ya wenzi eji eme. We don't need this particular foolish so-called security men that cannot secure the land. Rather, they are the one causing the problem. When you go, everybody got go. Enough of it, I told you that. Enough of it, I told you. I'm coming home. I'm not going back. December, okay. I'm coming December. Do your worst. I think I'm December. I think I'm December. Do your worst. Can I marry home? But him the gwen kwabo, I say magama, but Chineke na kwado, agama. Manabo when before man source many of people get because of Galilee. Because I'm a to they can get better. I will also take because I believe in prayer without action is stupidity. As I'm praying, I'm also arranging for my action. And the one arranging. So I don't know. Don't talk. That voice note to gentle circulating everywhere. Has a meeting. Say, shut up! What I'm talking? How old is that small boy? May broadcast. What man and his dog? They left. No, oh yes, all my voice notes. Like him in the last year. Now thank God. Now that's the name of date. Yeah, capitalize on a date, you know. And then what you hear how described that voice was exactly what was carried out. How did we get it? Chineke Nonoro, who want to expose him. So how na Chineke make sure to expose? So when you problem uno se me kukule na ime ya o iba wande go to bodike dika bukwegi. Apa me ngoyo so we hold it before I watch it. Allow Chuki to kukwe.
This is a mother. Why did you try to mother Biafra struggle?
Well, very good question. But do you want me to tell you how you struggle? She will be the man.
Okay, so I message you.
Thank you.
So those guys are not emotional. I have to tell Madu name with ego because when you're in ego, I know what's now.
That's one of it. 100% good question. Let's answer.
Let's just present ourselves.
On Ebony State. Someone will be. All equal men are my brokers here. On Ebony. Everyone only one cent as on Webi. That was Imo said, the 2 places in Dashi. How about Jeba? I want them a number of Imo now. Then I did that when we decide this question.
Comes out usual.
Okay.
We had a mehe Biafra agitation, sir. Umahi stand 100% against Oyeleme agitation. Mayashodi.
Allow him. Hey, Mama. Hey. No. Allow him to finish. You correct him. Allow him. Pico. I'm not going to interrupt.
So he just in Biafra. Na in a ESN Winka. Hey, Jebegi, Eweru, Caterpillar, Pato Urogi, Jideki, Kega. So here, Wapa. The states are uncomfortable for anybody in agitation. Simon no way, I want my battle boy be like that. We might show Oji strong-handedness handle a boy. So that is the reason when anybody thinking that the teen agitation the amma, that is why he went is what the base. Abraham with a base, then we can have people and some other outskirts of the city. But Nima Abakaliki go when the car we hear from even sit at home all most Mondays, you have have not at the home compared to some other places. So all how the thing, leadership.
Okay. When does someone answer to that question?
But the only thing I got whatever my brother. That now the thing I know Abia State go that now. This man on Abia State. Alex Oti, they very, very serious. And other state governor. Yeah, you must say that now all other state governor actually pushing high and them hang pushing but they didn't come and they were serious. Unless you the serious in the security.
Can I inform you?
Yeah. And I am enjoy also him enjoy like that man.
Can I inform you? Let me inform you. Even under OKZ Baz, the insecurity that they hold to in Imo State, like Abia, even under OKZ Baz. Because I remembered
they're right. Because when now the kind of created ESM they may operate in a point very, very well.
Yes. Yeah, I have a problem. One because you know about the leader, no compromise with the government. I agree that blockers. But I had a guy. So they were operating there very well. But him that at that time, he be the baby when they mad. But immediately Kurokubu police station. Imo State and Anambra. Majority Imo State were headquarters of insecurity. Anambra will share. Enugu will small. But even that time, on no hotel in Abia State, on no hotel in Ebonyi. Even though when ESN there, wow.
But the thing is, this Canada Finland. Oh, Canada Finland, the Kenyan is where this is Polos.
Okay.
Of which na man can never issue where die believe and they really because Nana may warn you was when I fight freedom.
Anyway, I will tell you things about that guy. Money ama.
But I can't buy you anybody issue when they follow Yawan there and I see their area prime minister. This is blah blah blah. No, not just because in Igbo they are both one.
Unda how on your blood, on your how on Igbo. Mande professor, none of that brother.
That is what I'm saying.
In our whole some evidence for now we not go. Yeah, now everyone do know here. We believe in not the someone are fighting for none day.
I don't believe.
Fine. Now going to there are reasons to work here now. All the same guy may accuse. Now we find your back. Okay, fly bird there. Through our investigation, if find your back with it. If find your back with the now election, now Joto can win. Different I'm not defining about other one. Okay, but I'll tell you queer. Only go private jet as of that time. Only go private jet. I just got this information through an insider, but I told you queer. Happy can open it to happy man other one. Oh, where private jet that time. The same Simon, but I know if I need him offer lawyer none the can. The same man, somebody was an all union none the can. All the lawyer needed that is fighting for this freedom, someone is not happy. When get in and out come. According to someone who raised it, I'm a man. I know the lawyer now solicit for ego. They got caught. based on reliable source. The lawyer now one of the lawyers, one of them nagapa to be could need equal hotel. I'm a member of Grassot again, but Simon when you load you go there, restore Biafra on the 2nd of December. Post World Bank in $50 million in a loan through Okenji One. Now, my brother, right? For money saying a World Bank borrow like $57 million. On Twitter, but where this in God goes to Okonji-Iweala is the punk because the amount this boy not before. No way about how to
exactly.
Yeah, season now somebody tweet with his account, a verified X account. Thank you. I'm come here no attack. Nandefulani Nadia, and when I hear him about it, now here watch and a post on one boy or a post on one boy. Mother use your verified account. Post rubbish. Okay, you have never removed it. Come on now, post there 1 day, 2 to 2 weeks until this woman they get the bunk where I give person somebody post that one picture. One he just post someone that I know this so wicked. Or when the government and then that for 20 to declare himself. I'm get mayor. He never said anything. I just go and okay. The same person now. Some Igbo, some Igbo, because when they will gullible. Somehow, because I never remember the same person going and the canon, we didn't know the canon dinner with Tiffany. The same person going, we didn't know the canon dinner with Tiffany. The same person going, I didn't know the canon dinner with you after it of or to win another, or to the no, get up at a dinner. Yeah, when you are fighting freedom, what Okage, you will let this person win.
Sorry, call to go. You man, before Ejide Moga na Finland. You man, when I was online at this TikTok. Never gada. Ojirono Jerry Ginede. When I see now one the Kano na the dinner with your final band, dinner with you and the buying deep online. So they are now one.
I don't know shower.
I'm telling you,
Munyon doing in a fight for Onyan Nanga, he couldn't even protect him. All the way so it's not for I think it's if not for the condition of the husband. Majority has not divorce before Gamporo. Only divorce, Ghana tweet at that woman. Every day tweet now call the people. That popular idea. Oh yeah, they come where I got this man in prison. The man they come where metal where that's the end of their problem.
I never had to go so gullible like that. But the game I have to be here. I go because no more the arrangement and they put on ground. The target you are pushing. The target you are just chopping down in any more here. Because now only someone not do possible. It's chopping down any more here.
Thank you, my brother. I like your spirit. Come go ahead. We are praying. And we are not stopping in prayer. We are also working. We are taking action. Some of them, we are telling them, now, potano eba, uzano eba, nekwere pota, pota, mandene kwere, inha hawere. I don't believe in equal for baroni Igbo. Manonye kwa for barabara ruwala. Except each area, some people, I believe in people to repent. I believe in that. Mana aga hokwa na that repentance ga ahụ genuine. Ị gaghị dị ka onye si na ya chegharịala n'ịkwa anwụrụ. But every evening, ya ga n'ebe a na-akwa anwụrụ na-eme evangelism. Onye ahụ echegharịbe. Thank you.
But this is our gullibility of once mmadụ kwuru okwu Biafra. Ọ dị anyị ka amụrụ Igbo mụọ Biafra. Most of our people don't know now. Biafra no way who self-defense can declare. You know, from day one, I believe Biafra.
100%.
So, but anybody in a with a mother, say I'm more gas on you, he will Biafra.
Ashi.
Okay, so the thing, that gullibility of immediately you could Biafra. Followers, that emotion is everywhere. Can you do a sister of when I live? Because This is in a fight insecurity now. I say in a fight in Biafra. And the worst, how many people like Biafra? Population buying the too much. It's kind of Biafra the too much. Buy water. Here no need Biafra. Reason is great here for the first time. Do for 4 years or thereabout. Because from there, followers or believers here believe Mona, Biafra.
To me, by creating awareness, so just by preaching this thing, because
one house, so for because allow the other person because only put awareness. Go ahead.
It's for us to create awareness, because this thing now abago imani well. Majority of them believe in this Biafra of a thing. Imama anything be against Biafra now. In a hand on Nansubuna. So all by the guy is from